6 ways to stay productive as a career person. Welcome to Digital Creators Hub. I am your favorite digital coach, Choma Faith. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 6 effective tips every business owner needs to know to stay productive in their business or chosen career. Whether success is the result of luck or hard work has long been debated, but no matter what you think, the most successful people have managed to optimize their talent, time, and overall productivity. Those who find ways to overcome their performance issues and optimize their workload are the true leaders. Here are some tips to help you stay productive in your chosen career or business. Tip number 1 is to set daily goals. Make yourself aware of the important goals you want to achieve every day and ask relevant questions on how to achieve those goals. How do I build my career? How much time do I have for a specific task? Sometimes making a list of questions like this and answering them will help you stay on track and keep you as motivated as possible. Tip number 2 is to do the hardest thing first. Make a list for the day, but the hardest question is, where do I start? How will I solve this need? And what are those necessary things I need to do first? You solve the most difficult task of the day. At the beginning of the day, you typically have the most energy and fewer distractions, making it easy for you to focus on difficult tasks. One way to stick to this routine is to cut out distraction, not checking your email, your phone, or social media until the hardest task of the day is done. Then tip number 3 is to set boundaries. In order to do the best job and complete the task without breaking down, you need to set boundaries. If you don't set boundaries and expectations from the start, people will take advantage of you. It's only difficult to create a to-do list and stick to it. So to get the desired result, you need to set boundaries. Sit down and then spending hours answering questions on your phone or your social media pages and other random messages. Then suddenly it's lunchtime. You've picked up and dropped so many tasks and difficult tasks. You don't know what to focus on the next. So what's more frustrating is that you haven't even launched or worked on your own to-do list yet. To reduce this unnecessary distraction, make sure you set boundaries. Yes, set boundaries. Are there specific hours you would like to reserve for your own assignment? Is there a window of time when you connect with people and interact with them on social media? Create time and set boundaries. It helps you manage expectations, reschedule your work, and also increase your overall productivity. Then tip number 4 is planning for tomorrow. The first thing to do before going to bed is to look at your calendar for the next day or maybe next to 3 days. Check in on your own schedule and judge the hard landscape. Learn to separate commitment into 2 areas: soft commitment and hard commitment. A hard commitment is defined as an activity that cannot be postponed, such as meeting, interview, or visit. To fulfill this obligation, you have to be physically present. But then on soft commitment, they are referred to as what you can move. You don't have to be present to solve those needs. Those needs are resolved by phone calls, email, telegram. Planning the night before and allows you to start your day with your priorities and expectations. Tip number 5 is to avoid multitasking. People think that focus means saying yes on what to focus on, but that's not what it means. It might seem tempting or productive to do multitasks at the same time. But let's face it, it's better to do one thing at a time to ensure the quality of our work. Multitasking kills. Try what works best for you. Remember that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. The last but not the least tip is drink water, which is tip number 6. Yes, drink lots of water, you heard right. Start the day with a large glass of water. Proper hydration is the key to productivity, energy, and mental clarity. It also helps curb craving for wanted chocolate. When you are feeling lethargic, you have actually been dehydrated. An energy drink or even a tea doesn't help, but water does. And you can imagine, water costs nothing and is even cheaper than any other drink or tea. 2% dehydration in the body can lead to a significant mental breakdown. So how are you going to function well at work if you are mentally down? So drink lots of water. I hope you find value in this video, and I know you can accomplish more in the same amount of time so you can feel less stressed and get more done. If you are new to this channel, please click the subscription button to join our YouTube community of digital creatives. Thanks for watching.